I have the Google Pixel tablet, and I'll be showing you how to uninstall apps on this tablet. So there are actually two ways you can do this. So the first thing you want to do is go to the app, and the easiest way is to go to the app drawer and find the app you want to uninstall. Now let's say you want to uninstall Apple Music. So what you need to do is long press on that app icon and then tap on App Info. So that takes you to the app info page of that specific application. And from here, you should see the option to uninstall. Tap on it, and it's going to ask you, do you want to uninstall this app? And when you press OK, it's going to uninstall that app. Okay. Now I'll just cancel for now so I can show you the other way of doing it. You can go to the Google Play Store. All right. So go to the Play Store and then search for that app. There you go. So there's the app. Open the app page and you should see the option to uninstall there. Okay. So that's directly from the Google Play Store. You can actually go ahead and uninstall. Another way you can do this, especially for apps you didn't get in the Play Store, maybe some APKs you sideloaded, what you can do is go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Apps, tap on that. And then from the list of apps, just tap on See All Apps. So see all 62 apps in my case, could be a different number for you, and find the app. Okay, so here's our app, the one you want to uninstall. Tap on it, and again it takes you to the app info page from where you have the option to uninstall, and as soon as you confirm, that app is going to be uninstalled. And now you can see there's no icon for that specific app. And that's basically how to uninstall apps on your Google Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.